Hey kids, we are back with a new story today called The Strength of Unity. Unity is to stay together, undivided. This story starts with a village where a rich merchant lived with his 7 sons. The sons used to quarrel with each other. The sons fought with each other a lot. See how angrily they are hitting each other. One day, the merchant called all his sons to him. By his side lay a bundle of sticks. And he said to his children, "You are proud of your power, aren't you? I want to see your strength," said the merchant to all his 7 sons, lifting up the bundle of sticks. The eldest one said proudly, "We indeed are powerful, father. You can give us any test." So the father challenged, "All right, if you are so powerful, can you break this bundle of sticks?" The eldest one tried a lot and he put all his force, but he failed to break it. The merchant said, "Try, rest of you, one by one." But nobody could break it. Others also tried their best, you see. Everyone is putting all the strength they have, but they could not break it. Now the father said, "Untie the bundle and break each stick separately." And this time every boy had to break only one stick. This time all the brothers easily broke all the sticks. So the father said, "Look, if you fall apart quarreling, anyone will break you like this, like a single stick that you broke. Why were you able to break the stick the second time? Because you had only one stick to break. Similarly, if you all keep fighting with each other and do not stay united like the bundle of sticks, anyone can take advantage of you and cause you harm. Hence, children, we should always stay united, stay together and look out for each other. That ways we'll be safe and strong." And so the moral of this story is union is strength. Being united is being strong. And with this thought, we say bye to you all, and we'll be back again with another story. See you.